In this video, I will quickly describe a useful site when writing midterms or exams, or just in general when you need a little bit of extra help finding translations for words or other uses when it comes to using words. This site is called wordhippo.com, and as you can see, there are a lot of different options up here. But the ones that are most likely that will be used are translations, definitions, and then in addition come sentences, which might be really useful. You have got synonyms, and synonyms are the things that are alike but not necessarily have the same meaning, but these could be useful. Antonyms are the opposite, so the other thing. You got good versus bad. So bad is the antonym of good. And then the rhymes might be useful for when working with rhymes. Now, up here you can write either words or small, say, phrases like this, so words that belong together, common sense. And you can get some help. Now, whenever you write up here, it always starts at the synonyms, but that might not be the thing that you're looking for. And when you click on translations, you see nothing really changes because you need to write that again up here because you need to pick what language you want it to be translated to. Now we want this from English to Norwegian because what is common sense? Now we write that again and we translate. Then it pops up here, how to say common sense in Norwegian. That is called sunn fornuft. So things that people basically should know. You can get help up here, and if you click on this one, you can hear how it's said in English. And if necessary, you can click on here to hear how it's said in Norwegian. Now, once this is all typed in, we can go to these other ones to see suggestions. Now, sentences, for example, might give you some help to see how it is used for others. Now, some of these sentences might seem really hard to understand, and that is fair enough. And maybe common sense isn't the best example, but you can try this yourself, and you should try this yourself. Now, let's see, let's try and pick a good one. If these people play fair and use discretion and common sense, they shall have my full support. So if these people just think normally, they can have my full support. Definitions up here, you get the noun, so you see what sort of word class this word is. And here it's explained in a maybe a little bit easier to understand. An ordinary, sensible understanding. One's basic intelligence, which allows for plain understanding and without which good decisions or judgments cannot be made. So everyone needs common sense to understand total normal things in life. Now, let's see. If we pick a different word and we say quality. And again, it's a noun, it's a level of excellence, all the explanations. But if we go to synonyms, then you can get to see things that are alike. So quality can also be a condition. Is it high quality? Is it in good condition? And if we look at rhymes, you get all sorts of suggestions that end in especially the Y in the end, so it sounds the same in the end. But this is obviously more useful when actually working with rhymes. But you should try and get to know this site a little bit better yourself. Go and explore and find out how it works, because this is one of the sites that is allowed to use. Good luck.